Hi everyone! Today we're exploring the Marketplace Advanced Commission plugin for WooCommerce. Lets admins set flexible commission rules by product, category, or vendor. It supports fixed or percentage rates and automates payouts for hassle-free management. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's walk through the admin workflow. First, log in to the admin panel, go to Marketplace, and click on Advanced Commission. In the configuration section, you'll find an option to enable or disable the module. There's also an option to enable or disable the use of commission rules. If the Use Commission Rule option is enabled, only rule-based commissions will apply. If it's disabled, the product and category-based commission will be used. After configuring these settings, click Save Changes. Now, let's go to the Seller tab, which is used to set seller-specific commissions. Here, you'll find the Set Commission button, which allows you to define specific commission rates for individual sellers. Note, the Set Commission Rule button will only be visible after a category is assigned to the seller. To assign a category, click on the Assign Category button. Select the categories you want to assign to the seller and click Save Changes. Then, return to the previous screen and click Set Commission to define seller-specific commissions. You'll see a list of category-based commissions. To create a new entry, click the Add button and choose a category. Only unassigned categories will be shown. Enter the commission amount and click Save. Your new category commission is now set. Next, let's look at commission rules. You'll see a list of existing rules. To create a new rule, click on Add Rules and choose the rule type. There are 3 types. Product applies commission based on the product price range. Seller order total applies based on the total value of a single order. Total seller sales applies based on the seller's cumulative sales. Then select the commission type, either percentage or fixed. Note that fixed commission is only applicable when the rule type is product. It is not allowed for the other 2 types. Next, set the applicable range and enter the commission amount. Once saved, your new commission rule will appear in the list. There is a priority order for applying commission rules. If the seller's total sales match a rule, that rule will apply. If no match is found, the seller order total rule will apply. If still unmatched, the product type rule will be applied to individual seller products. If you choose not to use commission rules, commissions will apply per category. To do this, set Use Commission Rule to No. Then select the commission type and set the rate per category. Click on the respective category to open the page where the category-based commissions are already set. You can also define product-based commissions while creating or editing a product. Go to the Products tab, click Edit, and in the Advanced Commission section, you can set a commission rate for that specific product. That's all for the admin flow. Now, let's move to the seller flow. Click on Seller Login and enter the seller credentials. Once logged in, sellers can view the categories assigned to them from their dashboard. While adding a product, the seller will only see the categories allowed by the admin. Click Product, then Add Product. Only those categories assigned by the admin will be visible. Sellers cannot manage commission rates directly, but they can view their earnings and admin commission deductions in the order details. To view this, go to Order History and click View Action. Here, sellers can see the admin commission amount deducted from each order. Now, let's look at the customer flow. Click on Customer Login and sign in using customer credentials. Go to Shop and place an order. Click Add to Cart, then View Cart, and proceed to Checkout. Fill in the billing details and click Place Order. Once done, the order will be placed successfully. This order will appear in the Seller's panel under Order History. Click Action to view order details, including the admin commission. If no commission rule is set for the product, then the category-based commission is applied. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.